When I first started out with sublimation, I absolutely hated it. Like, I thought I was going to throw my printer away because there were no resources for me and it was giving me a headache. I did end up putting it away for probably a couple months because I was just at max with it. By the way, if you're wondering who the hell is this lady talking to me while she's cutting a piece of paper, hi, I'm Kaylee Sue, and I am a crafting coach right here on TikTok. I personalize in sublimation in vinyl designs, but that's not the point here. The point is, I know how frustrating the beginning stages of this process can be, and I don't want you to get frustrated at all. I have a lot of different resources down below. You can check out the playlist for yourself. I, of all people, know that this is no walk in the park, but I have dedicated my time to helping you crafters develop a skill and have fun while doing it. In the beginning, I know when I reached out to some people, they were not so pleasant about me asking questions. I don't think anything set me back further than the negative comments just because I was trying to figure out how to craft. But at the end of the day, this is an all-inclusive crafting community at any level. I don't care if you think you suck, and I don't care if you think you are an expert. Everybody's welcome here. I'm glad you scrolled across my video today, and I hope you follow me because I would love to have you here. I do have a lot of fun over here. Honestly, I just love crafting. It has been something that's always been there for me, especially in my darkest times, and I know that to be true for so many others. So anyways, I am done yapping. Go check out my playlist below, but I'll see you very soon.